Yo, yo,
Yo. What is the word? What is the word? It's your boy Kha.Reality back with another one. And yo, it just started. Kayflock trial, you heard. We're gonna get right into it. We're not gonna sit here and play with y'all. We're not gonna do none of that. I'm not gonna sit here and drag it along. We're gonna get right into the nitty-gritty, the stuff that people don't know what they're talking about, right? See, look, when it comes to this case, right? Kayflock, he could beat the murder. He could absolutely beat the murder, but it's not because of self-defense. It's not, oh, he was defending himself, so that's why he beat it. In the feds, there's no such thing as a regular murder charge. In the feds, the murder has to be in furtherance of a gang, in furtherance of murder for hire. It has to be in furtherance of something. There's no such thing as like how you got in the state as murder one, murder two, state murders and all that. There's no such thing as that in the feds. So if I get on the stand, or if anybody get on the stand and say, yo, Kha did a body, but he did a body and he didn't do it because of a gang. He did it because it was personal, or he did it to anything else besides the gang. I could beat it because they can't charge you in the feds for a murder for that. So that's what I need y'all to understand. You heard? I need y'all to really understand the law. You know what I mean? We're gonna get straight into it. Three people have testified at K-Flock trial. Day 2 of K-Flock's trial. nydrill official. Day 1 and 2 of Flock's trial was done. The first day was jury selection. The second day was them showing the music videos. Y'all remember the music videos that they showing. So when they showing these music videos, what they doing is, I'm gonna give y'all a glimpse. Basically, they're gonna play each video and then they're gonna break it down with government witnesses, and they're gonna break it down within themselves to the jury. Like, yo, look, this is what this means. This is what this means. This is this rapper. This is this rapper. All of this is gonna come out when the trial is over and the transcripts come out. Y'all gonna be able to see the full transcripts, and y'all gonna say, all right, Kha.Reality was right. So they're gonna talk about even the lyrics that they was using. They're gonna talk about the lyrics, and they're gonna say, yes, he said Eli got his dolphin hit in the chin like a dolphin, holding his chin like a dolphin. They spun RPT, and they're gonna say, yes, his co-defendant is Zay Munna. His co-defendant is this guy. His co-defendant is this guy. They copped out to this. So being that they copped out to this, they're gonna use that to the jury. They're gonna say, look, jury, his friends copped out to these crimes. He's on trial by himself, but his friends left. His friends pled guilty to this. So his friends are saying they're guilty, but he's saying he's not guilty. No further. Let's go. So let's go to the second page, right? You know, I'm fast with it. I go right into it. I don't got to sit there and show y'all the fake video. I mean, the video of the alleged unalive, other documents. This is right here. This is all you need to see for this part. It's day 2. AUSA, you will hear from the defendant's own music videos and witnesses, including one who also unalived the rival. Defense, yes, you will hear rap lyrics. This is lawyer. You will hear rap lyrics. Who's on trial here? Rap music. So what they trying to say is like, come on, bro. With rap music, you can't do that. He's DOA. He's a collective. He's a music artist. Bronx is rough. Being a rapper is not a crime. K-Flock is not on trial. This is what y'all need to understand. K-Flock isn't on trial. It's Kevin Perez that's on trial. So that's why they're trying to stop the reasonable doubt right there. Remember, one little inch of reasonable doubt can get you acquitted. But it's the Rico he needs to worry about. It's the other charges and the overacts of the Rico that he needs to worry about. The body is beatable. I'm gonna tell y'all why. Defense. Does Kevin Perez have the right to defend himself? Yes. Right? Why is the defense saying this? They're going to admit to him killing Oscar Hernandez. Yes, it says. Listen to what I'm saying. The defense is going to admit to him taking Oscar Hernandez's life. Let's go. He grew up from Kelly on Kelly Street and moved to 187 Southside, Little Italy. AUSA objection. The AUSA do not want that in there. They don't want it to be said that does he got a right to defend himself, because if they say that, it's like, dang, he didn't kill Oscar Hernandez in furtherance of DOA. He didn't kill Oscar Hernandez in furtherance of a crime. I mean, in furtherance of a gang. He killed him from a whole different scenario. It was a whole different scenario. See, in the feds, there's no such thing as regular murder. This is what I need y'all to understand. There's no such thing as that. So people are like, yo, he charged with murder in the feds. No, he's charged with murder in aid of racketeering. So the murder has to be in aid of the conspiracy, in aid of the murder, in aid of the racketeering and the overact, murder for hire, stalking, stuff like that. Those are the penalties for these murder for hires. You know what I mean? These are the penalties that get you to life in feds. If it's just a regular murder, or senior to act, somebody pulled up on you with a gun, you killed them. It's not murder for hire. I mean, it's not a Rico murder, and he beats that. Look, defense. This is his lawyer. Just playing music can bring law enforcement here. He was influenced by drill rap. DOA is a music collective. Dollars over everything. Instagram was his ticket out of Southside. The killing in Harlem, he turned himself in. He's telling the people, my client turned himself in. Hernandez followed my client. Pay attention to that, y'all. His lawyer is saying that. Hernandez followed my client. Yes, so his lawyer is about to admit to it. Kayflock might get on the stand at the end of this trial and come to his own defense and say, I did not kill him in furtherance of no gang. I was walking, minding my business, and this guy came try to hurt me, and I killed him. It's not in furtherance of no gang. If Kayflock does that, he beats the murder. Period. He beats the murder. But it's the other Rico stuff that he might have to worry about. You know? All right, so the defense. No, OY was a victim in the case in the evidence in this case. No OY was a victim in the evidence in this case. So they saying that boy wasn't OY. Walking through a park is not a crime. It can mean several things. Follow your oath. Be fair. Thank you. Judge said first witness. Judge tired of this. Come on, bring the first witness. NYPD brought up Detective Eric Kim. I was in the 30th precinct. We heard gunshots. Jury is shown the 151 video. Remember I told y'all about the video. So when the jury is shown the 151 video, which video is that? Well, I don't see it right there, but it's a video basically. It's probably the video of him walking with Oscar Hernandez. I'm pretty sure that's the video of him walking with Oscar Hernandez, you heard? But by him showing the video, yeah, him showing the video, that's just basically like him talking about it, like the video of him committing the crime. So it says Hernandez was unalive on the sidewalk. A man yelling, "They just killed my boy!" Cross-examination. Are you aware my client turned himself in? He's asking the officer. You know my client kayflock turned himself in, right? He didn't run for this. He didn't say he didn't do this. He didn't do this. He didn't do that. That's what he's saying. So y'all need to understand that. And then they probably asked him a whole bunch of other questions. We're going to see that after the transcript is out. Once the trial is over. Next witness is Jarrell Sertle under subpoena. So they subpoenaed him. OYY's the brother. They subpoenaed him. He probably didn't want to come as a regular cooperating witness. So what they did was subpoena him. No, you come into court or you going to jail. Either or. All right. My brother Awaska was hit. I was with him. With the DA asked him, "Where were you?" In the barbershop. My brother walked out and said, "Who are you?" See, he just put his brother under the bus right there. He just proved that his brother went and initiated this. Even though it's no such thing as regular murder in the feds, this proves that kayflock did not do nothing to him in furtherance of the crime. But the Rico is going to be a whole totally different other story. Listen, did he threaten you? No, but he got shot. Third witness, NYPD Rachel Crowford of the crime scene unit. Photos, blood, you know, that's the regular stuff. They got to talk about that. They got to bring those type of witnesses. So, his brother coming in, that's what that was. You know what I mean? And then for those asking about U.S. versus Kevin Perez, this is what the reporter said. On the stand has been a cooperator, yellow jumpsuit, standing behind, slumping over behind a computer monitor in front of him. He dropped the F-bomb, and the prosecutors looked again, and he blamed K for stirring up beef's story later. So he's cursing in there. The witness, whoever the witness is cursing in there. Yeah, this is looking bad. Him cursing in there, but that has nothing to do with what the jury looks at. You know what I mean? The jury looks at everything, though. Okay, U.S. versus Kevin Perez, Eric kayflock opening statements. These are the opening statements. This is the defendant. They coming straight up with the opening. The statement as this defendant hit and killed Oscar Hernandez, who will hear the song OYK. But Oscar Hernandez is an OY gang member. So that don't look good on the jury, on the defense level, because he is OY gang member. So that's why it's tricky, because at the end of the day, kayflock might get on the stand and say, yeah, he did this in furtherance. He didn't do this in furtherance of the gang. But being that y'all got gang beef, that is why the murder happened. Even though it looked like he was being chased or it looked like he was being followed. If son was never OY, if you wasn't in a gang territory, you wouldn't even have a gun on you, or you would never even shot him because you'd never been worried about a OY person. You know what I mean? So that's the angle that they coming to, and that's what the jury is gonna look at that, bro. You know what I mean? So we just had to give y'all some of the content. You know what I mean? We had to give y'all some of the content. The prosecutor did not look happy about the swearing witness and said effing them and smoking them. Prosecutor Winston said, "What does smoking mean? Shooting or killing." So that was the witness. The witness talked about smoking on somebody, a hit, what that mean and all that. But swearing in court, that happens. Everybody swears in court sometimes. That's not nothing crazy. The jury wanted raw. So it's like it's like swearing in court is not nothing crazy. But the most important thing that y'all gotta pay attention to is these videos that's being played. The videos that's being played and the brother testifying. That is what's really gonna hurt. You know what I mean? Because if they do identify him as being an OY gang member, it's gonna look very bad. This is day 2 of the trial. I don't have to sit here and say, yeah, man, and go show y'all the video and play with y'all minds so y'all can keep y'all's tune state in. I'm gonna give y'all 10 minutes, 11 minutes of straight, real good content. I do not play around when it comes to this. Y'all know it's Kha.reality. Y'all know I know about this federal system, but it's no such thing as a regular murder in the facts. It has to be a murder. It has to be a murder for hire, or it has to be a murder in furtherance of a Rico act, in furtherance of an organization, or a murdering if you stalking somebody, or you trying to do witness retaliation. That is the stuff that gets you life, automatic, or the death penalty. Period. And it's Kha.reality, man. 050 is the movement. Shout out to Harlem Legend TV. Salute.
To Frankie, and what influence did that have on your father?
A transit authority cop stops him. He pulls out the gun and kills the cop.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Did Gravano tell you how he became a rat?
You would never call him that to his face.